What's up today, guys? I have a snake. His name is Shadow, and he doesn't really move much. He just crawls around, and mostly, he just sticks his tongue out like this. Like this. He plays some more camera almost. But you see his face, his tongue. He just. Mommy! Mom's on another set! And I can put it on my nose because he's not vicious. But if I put it on. And this video is gonna just be here like 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So, and I'm going to introduce you to. I'm gonna change his name. If I hate the name Shadow. So if you can say something in the comments like change the name like into like guava juice, the YouTuber name, or anything like sunset or moon, Jacob or checkers. Okay. So the snake is, it just came out like, it's over 30 seconds, but I talk too much, so it's okay. So, this, snake, he's lying down, but my snake is like very active in the night, cause it's like, but in the morning he's like, but in the night, he's like, every time we take him out his cage. But every time we knock on his thing, his little cage, I'm going to show you the little container that we put in. It's like full of grass, so it's this. But there's some holes in it, so he can breathe. And he doesn't eat until like a week or so. Until he gets bigger, but he gotten long. He got long. Or his name is Taylor. You got options to name him. You can name him Taylor, I don't know. Taylor, Alex, Alan, and oh, he's on top of my camera. And that is the base size of him. And he is the best snake in. Not to close that door. So my snake can. I'm gonna eat my snake. Good night. I ain't eat it. It's okay, waffle juice. Oh, I just said waffle juice right away. What do you want this? It's in my shirt. It's in my shirt. Okay, it's not in my shirt. I'm gonna put it in my shirt. Oh. Okay, say bye, 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 bye. No, baby. He's just the best. Like, when he moves, it's kind of funny, but every time he do this, he hangs on real tight, like right here. And I feel like he's scared of me, because every time, close that door. Every time I put my finger right there, he just moves back, and he just
Yeah, Mom.
But the snake,
Yeah, Mom.
it's just so.
Yeah, Mom.
And look at my beautiful skin. Like, But look at the snake, beautiful skin. Why I do that? See? Anyway, so I know you see that in my mouth and it's really, really bad. I know you wanna be so silly face. Yeah. But I know something. So tomorrow, if I'm doing a prank on my mom, that'll be like if I get 200 likes on this video, and comment down below if you wanted to name it. Let me see, Jacob, or subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of videos yet. But subscribe to my channel and hold on to the bell, and then you won't miss any kind of video. It'll pop up on your screen when you roll down, and then you just click it, and then you'll go to it, and then you'll watch it, and you'll never get to miss 1, 2, 3, or 4, or 5, or 1 million videos. I'm gonna say, hold this seat. Wait a minute. Oh. Okay, I'm trying to kill this fly that keeps coming in my house. Okay, guava juice right here. It's very thankful for having you guys here. And make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. And I do giving away all my toys. So thank you for having me here. Thank you. And bye. Say bye.